The Amur leopard, one of the world's rarest big cats, is native to the Russian Far East and northeastern China. By the early 2000s, their population had dwindled to fewer than 40 individuals due to habitat destruction, poaching and prey depletion, marking them as critically endangered. In 2012, the land of the Leopard National Park was created, encompassing over 2,600 square kilometers of forested habitat. The park's strict anti-poaching measures, camera monitoring and efforts to prevent forest fires are critical to protecting the leopard's ecosystem. Local and international conservation groups like WWF have worked with the Russian government to reintroduce prey species such as deer and support leopard populations. Cutting-edge technology, including satellite tracking and DNA studies, is used to understand and preserve the leopards. Today, the Amur leopard population has risen to around 120 individuals in the wild. Continued conservation efforts, habitat protection, and collaboration are essential to ensure the survival of this magnificent species, showcasing it as a beacon of hope for endangered wildlife globally.